How to add music to your YouTube video on iPad. On your iPad, you can use iMovie. iMovie is a free and user-friendly application. If you don't already have iMovie, you can download it from the App Store. Open iMovie and tap on the Create Project option. You can select Movie to start a new video project. Now tap on the Media and find the video you want to edit from your library. Tap on the video to add it to your timeline. Once the video is added, tap on the plus button on the top left corner of your screen. Select Audio from the options that appear. Choose Music to browse your local music library, or select Soundtracks to use pre-made music from iMovie. Now browse through the available music and tap on the track you want to use. Tap on the music track in the timeline to adjust the length. Play your video with the added music. Once you are satisfied with the edit, tap on Done. And now you can upload the video to your YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you.